Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with a sense that more positive economic data is starting to assert itself. Today is a public holiday in the US, President's Day, or what used to be called Lincoln's birthday. Markets are closed there. Parts of their Midwest are also closed due to a very cold blast of winter weather. And that is raising global oil prices along with Middle East tensions. And markets are closed in China as well for their Spring Festival break. So the big international news flow is muted today. But there is some that we should take notice of. Canada's housing starts came in positive for January, and the December was revised higher. Canada's manufacturing sales were also positive, and this data was for December. And it was better than expected and reversed the decline for November. Sales of wood, coal, oil all led the improvement, so perhaps it isn't going to be a long-lasting uptick there. Japanese industrial production slipped much less than expected in December, and this has been seen as a bit of a turning point. They were still lower to be sure, but remember we had previously reported the Icon machine tool order levels for January were positive. And Japan has surprised analysts with much better fourth quarter 2020 economic performance than expected. There was actually growth when the decline was expected. More interestingly was that private consumption grew as well and didn't fall away as much as expected from the strong third quarter jump. Overall, these are quite encouraging results for the world's third largest economy. And Singapore also reported fourth quarter GDP results overnight, and they too were better than expected, even if they were tamer than the Japanese improvement. They say they expect a 4 to 6% level of economic growth for all of 2021. And Singapore home sales rose to their highest level of more than 2 years in January, with buyers rushing in amid speculation that the government may take steps to cool their market. Going the other way, however, and getting worse was EU industrial production in December, in a disappointing but not unexpected reversal. The US Treasury 10-year yield is unchanged from yesterday at just on 1.21%, and the New Zealand government 10-year yield is up 7 basis points to 1.38%. Markets are clearly looking past the current lockdown and still seeing that the RBNZ will focus on rising inflation pressures in 2021. The price of gold will start today down $4 to $1,820 an ounce, but platinum rose above $1,300 an ounce for the first time in 6 years. Oil prices are up a bit more than $1 today, now just under $61 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just under $63.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today little changed at 72.3 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're lower at 92.9 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're still at 59.6 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is little changed and still at 73.7. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.